today we are going to discuss about the topic species concept. The main important species is a basic unit of classification. The term species was coined by John Ray, and after that the meaning of the species were derived from Latin word. The meaning of species, kind or appearance, and after that John Ray his book Historia Generalis Plantarum totally main important concept for species origin from common ancestors, and after that species totally well developed theory Linnaeus. Linnaeus main important to the father of taxonomy. The father of taxonomy. Taxonomy means that the study of classification is called the taxonomy. Classification means that the arrangement of organisms is called the taxonomy. Linnaeus totally two books are available: Systema Naturae, Species Plantarum. Systema Naturae animal book, Species Plantarum plant book. And after that next statement, Charles Darwin, the father of evolution. The term evolution coined by Herbert Spencer. The father of evolution, Charles Darwin, his book The Origin of Species. Totally important statement by Charles Darwin. Species is a basic unit of classification. And after that, species definition. Species is an interbreeding group of similar individuals sharing the common gene pool and producing fertile offspring. That's what is called main statement of species definition. Once again, species is an interbreeding group of similar individuals sharing the common gene pool and producing fertile offspring. That is the definition of species. Species is considered a group of individuals. First statement a breeding unit, reproductively isolated from the individuals different species. That's one is called a breed unit species. One statement. Next one, sharing the same ecological nature. That's what is called an ecological unit. This is the ecological, different ecological, aquatic ecological, man, and after that terrestrial ecological. Different ecosystems are there, but main important sharing the same ecological nature. That's one is an ecological unit. Next one, showing similarities in the karyotype. That's one is species is a genetic unit. The father of genetics Gregor Mendel. The modern father of genetics T.H. Morgan. And after that, species is an evolutionary unit, evolutionary process. The father of evolution Charles Darwin. That one is main important having structural functional characteristic. Similarity, structural function of characteristic. This is the four statements are very important. Species is a breeding unit, species is an ecological unit, a genetical unit, and an evolutionary unit. And good examples of species. Example: Apis indica, Apis dorsata, Apis mellifera, Apis flora. But this is the, for example, human scientific name Homo sapien, Homo genus name, sapiens species name. This one Apis genus name, indica species name, Apis genus name, dorsata species name. Same, but Apis genus name, but species indica, dorsata, mellifera, flora is different. Genus name same, species are different. And after that, allopathic speciation, different geological variations, sympatric, same geological variations. This is the today topic, only species concept. Thank you for your support. Do like and subscribe.